My name is Angie. Here again we making a banana muffins and these are my ingredients. Then we do first step mixing together the wet ingredients. Cream, butter, 2/3 cups, sugar, add lightly beaten eggs. Then do smash the bananas. After that, the wet ingredients combined with the dry ingredients, mixing properly, and I add or use these cranberries here, not the chocolate chips. Make something new, style or version. It's quite healthy muffin. I'm going to steam and wrap with aluminum foil so that the water will not go into the muffins, and cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Then after, time to check if it's cooked. And we're gonna take one and try. There you go. See, it's great. Good job. It's so soft, smooth, moist muffins. These are banana cranberries muffins. Looks delicious. Wish and hope you like to make. I will write the recipe under the description box below. You just check it out over there. And hope you like my video today, and please give thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate